When thinking of relaxation, most people would think of possibly the beaches of Hawaii, or maybe the Isles of Fiji, possibly even Bora Bora. Not today. Today we're in Fort Wayne, Indiana. Why, you might ask? So this is the birthplace of the ultimate relaxation, a master spas. We'll be going through the process of manufacturing from start to finish to show you exactly what we do when it comes to building the world's best hot tub. Now let's get inside, it's freezing. Hey, Mike.
Hey, Grady, how's it going?
It's going good. How are you, buddy?
Good to see you.
What's the first thing we need to do?
First thing I do, I have to give you these glasses, and you need to put those on and wear them the entire time that we're out here doing the production run.
Well, safety is important, Mike. I'm so excited. You ready to go?
Let's go.
So, what's our first step when building the ultimate relaxation machine?
We have to make the shell.
Okay.
Then we have to reinforce the shell.
Okay.
Then we can start building the spa.
So this is the oven area, huh?
So this is one of our 2 Vacform ovens. This is our newest oven. It's a double-sided 20-foot oven. We can do swim spas or regular spas in here. We're doing regular spas, regular acrylic spas today. I want to introduce you to Carlos, our production assistant manager.
Great to meet you, Carlos. If I'm coming in here, and if I'm working for you, and the first step of building the ultimate relaxation machine, what is the first thing that we need to do?
First thing first, we need just to make sure that you're going to be safe.
Well, we don't, you know, I do sales, so we don't want to get my hands dirty, right?
Well, today I think we're gonna
push it to the limit. All right, I got my hands ready to rock and roll.
So now we're gonna go and pick up our shield.
Every sheet of acrylic we use at Master Spas has its own thickness and size depending on what model we're manufacturing. It's like I've been doing this for years.
Oh yeah, you really look like a pro.
When's break? So basically you're just putting this kind of uniformly around the mold. Okay.
Now the next step is just bring this frame down.
Okay. Remember, safety first. Okay, so this now, you attach the acrylic to this frame?
Exactly.
To get it ready to go into the oven.
We're gonna have enough material
to clamp. So from this, can I yell I'm good?
Yes.
We're good here. Here's where we spray the high pressured air to make sure that zero, and I mean zero, particulars, dust, anything in the air does not land on our acrylic sheet. Now our sheet is going to the oven where we heat it to over 400 degrees between 3 to 5 minutes, depending on which model we're making. Now, what do we got these guys doing here?
What we have to do is pretty much inspect the mold. We need to go through every edge and every corner inside of this mold, just to make sure that we don't have any kind of dust or dirt.
So it looks pretty clean, but looks can be deceiving, right?
Yes.
Obviously, being a luxury spa manufacturer, you guys use the latest in technology, right?
Exactly.
What's this tape?
It's a special
tape, special white tape. Another crucial step in manufacturing when it comes to molding our acrylics is making sure our mold is crystal clean. Zero, and I mean zero, particulates, dust, anything cannot be on that mold. So looks like our dinner's coming here.
We have this mold connected to this big vacuum up here.
Okay.
Start sucking on the air.
How long does it take for this acrylic to get hard?
About 3 minutes.
Okay. I'm desperately waiting for you guys to turn the fans on because it is. There we go. See how that worked? It feels good too. I'll just stand right here.
All right.
You see, you're used to it. I'm not used to it. The final step in the vac forming process is to tape and protect the flange of our new hot tub. Vacuum form was a success. A lot more goes into this than I thought. It's not the easy bake oven like your sister had. First of all, you have to make sure that you get the acrylic lined up on the frame perfect. Number 2, you gotta blow off all materials on the acrylic itself. Then you gotta wipe down all the speck and dust particles that I couldn't see with the fancy equipment called tape. Then it goes into the oven. It goes up between 400 and 410 degrees, depending on the color and depending on the size of the spa that we're building. Once that process comes out, it gets cooled up, we break it off of the form, and then we tape it, we get it ready to go for the next process. Our next step's gonna be lamination. I can't wait to see you on that one.
The future is now.